I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, here to talk to you about the grain markets, the corn market. Okay, I was really impressed with corn's rally on Wednesday. Certainly seemed to come out of nowhere, and certainly strength in wheat helps corn go up. So it's really important. Mexico buys a lot of U.S. corn from us, and I think it's really important to keep this continuing on. Mexico buys U.S. corn for a reason. They have a lot of cattle, a lot of chicken, a lot of hogs to feed. Hence, they buy U.S. corn. So corn originated 8,000 years ago in Mexico, and it's such a staple food in the world. And I think for the next 1,000 years, corn is going to be a staple food. We're seeing food changes quite rapidly here. Baby boomers, my generation, we grew up on steak and potato. The millenniums, more chicken consumption has really increased the last 20 years. So food prices really changing around here swiftly, but hence corn still a staple food. And I just think it's so important that we continue to sell our U.S. corn to Mexico and everyone else in the world that wants it. Our first chart today, a weekly chart of corn. You can see we rally into good resistance this week. It's going to take buying and lots of it to keep this corn market going higher. However, I'd be very careful being short corn in this environment. We need to know how many acres corn are going to be planted this spring. We need to know Argentina's corn situation, so we won't know this for a while. And corn demand, corn exports are very good. We want that to continue. Okay, the soybean market. Well, last night soybeans were up 6. This morning they're down 5. So in the short term, that doesn't look that good. And certainly a commodity soy volatility is part of it. I think our chart here, the weekly chart of soybeans, you can see at this week's low is very good support for soybeans. So China's back today after their new year for the week, and I was looking for a little bit more USDA announcements this morning. However, Monday we started the week 25 cents lower, and then Wednesday USDA came out with 3 nice parcels of export sales of U.S. soybeans. So when we break, watch these export sales. It's a no-brainer. China comes in and buys soybeans at lower prices. They're very good at doing that. So the wheat market now, our third chart, a weekly wheat chart, a little bit more different. There's a weekly reversal up here. So the short covering in wheat is taking hold, and that's supporting corn. So we'll see what's in store there. So back to this whole Mexico situation, you just want to be careful. You don't want any of our U.S. rivals to pick up some of this export business. Russia comes to mind. Russia, the start of the century, was a big importer of wheat. Today, they're the biggest exporter of wheat in the world today. And Russia can shift and grow corn and sell that to the rest of the world as well. Everybody have an excellent weekend.